Yo, 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 what's good, guys? Welcome to the Traders Reality Projections channel, episode 31. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, you would have experienced a fantastic run on the projections, guys. All right, so we had a lot of fun yesterday. All right, Bitcoin was just performing exactly the way we needed her to perform. All right, there were so many levels that got taken out. The market maker's intention was present and everything was just playing out to the T. I'll show you yesterday's projections I had a quick snapshot. If you can see right here, during the morning, we anticipated that Bitcoin was going to come out of this zone right here on the London session. She broke out, retraced, continuation to the upside. She hit the first projection zone, or she took out this zone right here, all right, which we discussed in the previous video. And then she tapped out the 36,485. Look at the accuracy right there from the retrace from that point. It was unbelievable. But then Bitcoin continued to work towards the second projection point, which was the 37,562. So if we flip over to the chart, you can see she came up into that zone, 37,558 right there. And she's just done perfectly. Now, we do have more projection zones to take out. We are in sight of the 40K mark. However, before we see that, we need to see a retrace. Bitcoin right now is working towards the daily open, which is the purple line, and the psychological high right there. We need to see the retest of these zones to solidify that the market makers do favor higher prices. However, we've got to be mindful. We do have vector candles coming back into play right here. So price will look to come back down to test the 200 EMA and the 50. Whilst it's doing that, it will effectively recover some of the vector candle right here, which is a pool of liquidity of shorts that the market makers built as price was rising. Okay, now that the M2 pivot is confirmed at this point here, okay, we are implying that the pivot will then take us towards the M4 zone, which will take us straight to the 40K mark. If Bitcoin performs another cyclical move like this to the upside, happy days, we will see the M4 projection zone. All right, but we need to wait for the retrace, because right now you can see the pattern is rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. So I am projecting these zones on the basis that once they test this area here, price will bounce from that point and continue higher. If it doesn't test and fails and completely comes lower, there's the chance that it will hit the ADR low, 34,596, all right, and the range daily low and bounce away from that point. Or if it completely drops, or Elon decides to say something negative about cryptocurrency, we may recover this previous vector candle down here. If it comes back down here and stabilizes and moves away from it, that will still keep this pattern as such still in play. All right. So that's Bitcoin for you right there, guys. Ethereum has been performing differently. All right. In light of the actual fractional disparity, Ethereum is following Bitcoin's movements. Always happens after Bitcoin moves. However, Ethereum is the only one that's actually showing signs of a W formation, because the second leg is now coming into play. We've got stopping volume right here, which they will look to recover in and around this zone. Okay. And as long as they bring price back down here and it stays within this first leg right here, we are still good. Although price can effectively come back down to the vector zone right here, as long as it comes down and bounces away from that point, happy days. Look at where the range daily low is. Smack bang right near the end of this wick. If price does come any lower and then breaks below that, the whole pattern is invalidated. All right. We will only know the market maker's intention from this move to the upside if they stabilize in and around this zone and move away and work towards the next projection zone, which will be in and around this area right here. Okay. And effectively be around the 2659 mark. Okay. It's now trading below its psychological low. So Ethereum has got a lot of work to do. XRP, she's now pulling back now, and she's rejecting the psychological low as well. All right. So this is the retrace that we're anticipating. The test of the 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame is the 4 hour 50 EMA. She's rejected that. So we really need to see XRP come back up. All right, to solidify that their intention with this base right here is favorable to the upside. Notice the green vector candles right here. Price is working that zone right now. So there's liquidity right here for them to take. Okay. Now, if you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. If you watched yesterday's video and then come and reference it to today's video, you will see the sole objective of this channel is to help you understand how to project price based on the understanding of the hybrid system. Okay? Mad love to all of you guys, and I hope you made a little bit of cake yesterday. Mad love to all of you. Peace.